In today's lecture, we will discuss about field effect transistor. Field effect transistor is that type of transistor whose output is controlled with the help of its input voltage. That means its output has a effect of its input field. That's why it is given the name field effect transistor. Basically, field effect transistor is classified in two types. The first one is JFET, that is junction field effect transistor, and the second one is MOSFET, that is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. JFET is further divided into two types. The first one is N channel and the second one is P channel. MOSFET is also divided into two types. The first one is E-MOSFET, that is enhancement type MOSFET, and the second one is depletion MOSFET, that is D-MOSFET. E-MOSFET is of two types, N channel and P channel. In the same way, D-MOSFET is also N channel and P channel. Now we will start with the first one, that is JFET. JFET is that type of transistor which has three terminals. JFET has three terminals. The first one is gate, source and drain. It is that type of transistor which has three terminals, gate, source, drain, and it has two PN junction. The space in between these two PN junction is called channel. On the basis of this channel, these JFET is divided into two types, as I have discussed earlier, N channel and P channel. So the first one is N channel JFET. N channel JFET is that type of JFET in which the space in between the PN junction is of N type semiconductor material. That is, it is made of N type semiconductor. The structure of a simple N channel JFET is like this. It has a terminal drain, the second one is source, and the third one is gate. We have two PN junction. It has a silicon bar of N type. N type semiconductor bar is taken and two P type semiconductor are diffused on this N type semiconductor bar in the middle of this bar at opposite corners. These two P semiconductors are connected with each other to make the terminal. It is called gate. This terminal of this bar is called source, and the upper one is called drain. The source is that terminal from which the electrons enters into the FET, and the drain is that one from where the electrons come out. The symbol diagram of JFET is like this. This is gate, it is source, and it is drain. This is the symbol of N channel JFET. The second one is P channel JFET. P channel JFET is just opposite to the N channel JFET. That means P channel JFET is that type of FET in which the channel, that is the space in between the PN junction, is made of P type semiconductor bar. So now we will just draw the second one, that is P channel. P channel JFET will be that one in which we have a bar of P type semiconductor and two N type semiconductors are diffused in this P bar. This P type will work as source and this upper one will work as drain, and this will act as gate. This space, that is channel. This channel is made of P type semiconductor, hence this GFET is called P channel GFET. And here the space, that is the channel from where the electrons will move, is made of N type semiconductor, hence this is given the name N channel GFET. The symbol of this P channel GFET is like this. We have arrow outward side. This is drain, this is source, and this is gate. If we have the direction of current inward, then this is the symbol of N channel, and if we have the arrow outward, then it is the P channel GFET. This is the difference between N channel and P channel. Now the second one is MOSFET. So now start with MOSFET. MOSFET is that type of JFET which is made of with a metal oxide. That means it is a special type of FET in which the gate terminal is insulated. In MOSFET, it also has three terminals: gate, source, and drain. What is the difference between MOSFET and JFET? That the gate in MOSFET is insulated. That is, there is no connection in between gate and source or gate and drain. That is, gate is insulated with the help of insulator. Here, since SiO2 is used, that is silicon dioxide, that's why the name is given metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. The layer of SiO2 work as an insulator in between gate and the channel. That's why this is called MOSFET. The MOSFET is the first one, that is eMOSFET. eMOSFET is called enhancement MOSFET. That means, what is the meaning of this enhancement? Enhancement means to establish or to enhance, that is increase. Enhancement MOSFET is that type of MOSFET in which there is no channel present in between source and drain like in JFET. We have to induce the channel in between these two. We just apply the voltage at gate and just induced or increase the channel in between source and drain. That's why it is given the name enhancement MOSFET. That means at the manufacturing time there is no channel available in between drain and source. The construction of the eMOSFET is like this. We have a P substrate in which we have two, and I am just drawing the N channel eMOSFET. These two N-type semiconductor will work as source and drain, and here we have a gate. This is SiO2 layer which insulated gate with the channel. Here this n-type semiconductor is working as a source and this n-type working as a drain. There is no channel in between these two in enhancement MOSFET. We have to enhance a channel. We just induced a channel so that the electron from this source can reach to the drain. So to make a path, we just enhance the channel. That's why this MOSFET is called enhancement type MOSFET. Since it is of two type, one is N channel and the second one is P channel. If this channel which is induced is of N type, then it is called the N channel enhancement MOS, and if the channel induced is of P type, then it is called PE MOSFET. The symbols of these two can be written as the MOSFET has a symbol like this. This is source, it is drain, and it is gate. We have shown that there is no connection between gate and the source and drain. There is a gap here. That's why this gap is showing the MOSFET. And since it is enhancement, that means in which there is no channel, that is we have just shown the dotted part, that means we show that the channel is broken and we have to just induce a connection to connect S with D. This is shown with the dotted line. For showing P and N, we have an arrow here. If we made the arrow inward, this becomes N channel, and if we have an arrow outward side, this is drain, this is source, it is gate. If this arrow is outward side, it shows the P channel. This is P channel. This dotted part shows the enhancement type. Clear? Now we will just discuss the next one, that is D MOSFET. That is the second one, D MOSFET. D MOSFETs are those MOSFET which are called depletion type MOSFET. It is that type of MOSFET in which there is a channel available in between source and drain. That is, it is available at the time of manufacturing. That means at the time of manufacturing, we make a channel. Either it may be of N type or it may be of P type, depending on the type of D MOSFET. We make a channel to connect source with drain. That type of MOSFET is called depletion type MOSFET. If this channel made is of N-type semiconductor material, then it is called N-channel D MOSFET, and if it is made with the help of P-type semiconductor material, it is called PD MOSFET. In case of symbol, we just show the complete channel. The dotted part is removed from the symbol of enhancement type. Since in enhancement channel is not present, so we have shown the connection with dotted dots, while in DMOSFET we just made the complete connection. Since channel is always present at the time of manufacturing, we have just produced a channel, and at every time we have a channel in between source and drain. That's why we shown it with a dark line. If we made the symbol like this, it becomes DMOSFET, and if we show it with dotted line, it becomes EMOSFET. The symbol of N channel and PIN channel is made in the same way. If the direction of current is inward, it is N channel, and if the direction of current is outward, it is P channel. This is the symbol of N channel DMOSFET and P channel DMOSFET. This is all about the classification of MOSFET. Thank you.